recording.
Why not?
It is now. All right, put it in your basket. Oh, what is it? Who is that?
Elmo.
Okay, put it in your Easter basket.
Another one.
Another one?
With green.
Who is this?
Green.
Who is it?
Cookie Monster.
Yeah, Cookie Monster. Okay, put it in your basket.
Another.
Yep, look around. Is there another egg somewhere? Oh, get your basket. What's in there? No, this one's stickers. Go put it in your basket.
Thank you.
Okay, are there more eggs? Look over there by your house.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. What's in there?
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, careful opening that one. What do you think's in there? Just one. Okay, two. Can you say Happy Easter? I bet you there's another Easter egg on the other side of your house. What's in there? Oh, that one's got Play-Doh in it. We'll have to open that later, okay? I see two more.
Caden.
What's in there? There's one more, but it's over here. What is that one? A sticker. Do you want your Easter basket present? Okay, put it in here. Okay, put this one in here. Open? This one's stuck shut. Okay, Mama will open this later, okay? We'll open it later. Why don't we see our other present? You want your other present?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. You ready? All right, here it comes. You want to sit on the ground?
Oh,
Sit on the floor.
no.
No. Where do you want to sit?
What's that?
You want to sit in the big chair? Okay, you ready? What is in there? What is it? What is that, Kaden.
Down. Here. Bubbles.
Bubbles, that's right.
And
You know what that is?
this.
Marshmallows. You like marshmallows?
Is that whole thing in his mouth?
Yes. What else is in there? No, you gotta wait till you finish that one. Watch this, Kaden.
Caden.
We'll get another one.
Caden,
Kaden, look up at Dada.
you like that marshmallow?
Okay, wait. Whoa! You ready? Okay, wait. Is that funny?
Yeah.
Oh! What else is in here?
A colorway.
Yeah, stickers.
Stickers.
Those are from Grandma and Papa.
Yeah.
School bus?
Giraffe. Not giraffe. Not giraffe. Not a giraffe.
What else is in there?
Mom.
What else?
House.
We got chalk.
Yeah.
Yeah. And how about
Mom. Mom.
what is this?
This. Motorcycle.
Yeah, a motorcycle.
Look.
I'll put it right here. Okay. What are these? There's a snack.